In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Superscript in Google Vids. We've all been there typing up a document and suddenly we hit a snag. How do we elevate that text, quite literally, to Superscript? Whether it's for math equations, trademark symbols, or just to emphasize a point, Superscript text can be a handy feature. Luckily, Google Vids, a part of Google's expansive suite of tools, offers a straightforward way to accomplish this. Let's dive into the process. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. This might seem like a basic step, but it's crucial to start from the right place. Simply typing Google Vids into your favorite search engine or typing the URL directly into your browser's address bar will get you there. Once on the landing page, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly interface that Google is known for. Next up is logging into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt Google to ask which account you'd like to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one where your document is saved or where you plan to create a new document. After selecting your account, you should now be in your main Google Vids dashboard. From here, the real fun begins. Find the document you wish to edit or create a new one for this purpose. The flexibility of Google Vids allows you to start fresh or build upon existing work seamlessly. Now, with your document open, locate the text you want to convert into Superscript. Highlight this text carefully to ensure you only select what needs to be superscripted. This level of precision will prevent formatting issues later on. With your text highlighted, it's time to dive into the Format menu. You'll find this option in the top menu bar, nestled among other tools designed to enhance your document. The Format menu is a treasure trove of styling options, but for now our focus is on transforming our selected text into Superscript. Within the Format menu, you'll notice several options. Click on Text, which will open another submenu filled with various text formatting options. It's here that Google Vids shows its true power, offering a wide range of customization for your document. In the Text submenu, look for the Superscript option. It might take a moment to locate, but once you find it, click it. This action will instantly transform your highlighted text into Superscript. You'll see your selected characters shrink and rise above the line of text, achieving the desired effect. And that's it. You've successfully added Superscript to your document in Google Vids. This method applies to any text within your document that you want to elevate, literally. Whether you're working on academic papers, business presentations, or creative projects, Superscript can add that extra level of detail and professionalism to your work. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of additional tips. First, always double check your document after making formatting changes, like adding Superscript. It's essential to ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. Secondly, don't hesitate to experiment with other formatting options in the Text submenu. Google Vids offers a plethora of features like subscript, bold, italic, and more to enhance your documents further. Adding Superscript in Google Vids is a simple process that can significantly impact the readability and professionalism of your documents. Whether you're a seasoned Google Vids user or new to the platform, mastering small details like this can help you make the most out of this powerful tool. So, the next time you're working on a project and need to add that extra detail, remember this guide to effortlessly incorporate Superscript into your work. Happy typing!